You have only 10 seconds to show that you are a somebody. The moment when you meet a stranger, you have only 10 seconds to build your image in that person's mind. And one wrong move, the person would think you are dumb, funny, interesting, exciting, and stupid, etc. by judging your actions, words, and body language. If you don't want to look dumb in front of anyone, then you have to use these 9 basics and simple methods in 10 seconds. Yes, and this will decide the bonding between you and the person you have just met. See guys, as you know that first impression is last impression, with which the person's gonna deal with a very long time. So be careful about your body language and verbal language, and people will judge you instantly because your body speaks before you utter a word. Watch the video till the end to create a positive and memorable first impression. So let's begin with the technique number 1, the flirting smile. Author Lil Lowndes got to know this technique when she was invited by her college friend Melissa for a meet. Lil knew that Melissa was an incurable giggler, and that was part of her charm. When her dad passed away, she is about to lead the company. Melissa told this to Lil. But author thinks that Melissa's personality does not suit to be a CEO. But when the meeting was begun, Lil was shocked. By seeing her performance, her clients also like her the way she truly responding with genuine warmth to her prospective clients. And at the end of the meeting, she now has 3 new big clients. Lil was thrilled because Melissa was not the girl anymore who always giggles. She was a very different person now. Seeing this, Lil empathizes her. You have come a long way from being a giggler to a well-grown woman. And Melissa said, I didn't change my whole personality. I just changed only one thing. And that is the way I smile. Actually, when her father was dying, he had a half conversation with her daughter and said something special that has changed her entire life. And what he said? Honey, if you want to win in the box office business, then you can't because you smile so quick. Then Melissa started researching on it and she found a study showed that women who were slower to smile in corporate life were perceived as more credible. The study went on to saying a big, warm smile is an asset, but only when it comes to a little slower, because then it has a more credibility. From that day, she started to train her lips to erupt more slowly. Thus, her smile appeared more sincere and personalized for the clients. Those people who ever received credibility and more integrity, they are just ever so slower to smile. Technique number 2, sticky eyes. Eye contacts can extremely advantageous, especially between the intimacy. But this is not a series of sex education, so let's move ahead in business. In the absence of romance, strong eye contact creates a powerful impact between men and women. A Boston Center conducted a study where the researchers asked the opposite gender peoples to have a 2-minute casual conversation, and they tricked half of their subjects into maintaining intense eye contact by directing them to count how many times the person blinked, and they gave no special eye contact instruction to the other half subjects for the chat. When later questions were asked about those who were blinking without thinking, a feeling of respect, love, and fondness was found in them for their colleagues who was just counting the number of blinks and speaker was not aware of it. The more eye contact, the more positive feelings. Let me explain why. If your intention is to only awakening the feelings of respect and affection, then maintaining strong eye contact can also gives you the impression of being an intelligent and abstract thinker. Because according to the author, abstract thinkers integrate data more easily than concrete thinkers. But wait, eye contact may vary with male and females. But first, let's understand, is that really more staring means more positive feelings? To find out that, researchers of Yale University conducted an investigation, and this time they directed subjects to share a personally revealing sermon, and they asked the listeners to react with a sliding scale of eye contact while their partner talked. And results? As expected, with women, when they shared their personal stories with women and increased eye contact, encouraged feelings of intimacy, but for men, it's not the same. Some men felt hostile when stared at too long by other men, and other person felt bullied, and some men thinks that their partner is more interested in talking than him and want to punch him to stop talking. What does it feel like when you fall in love? When you look at someone with intense focus, it triggers a biological response in your partner. Their heart beats faster and they feel a rush of adrenaline coursing through their veins. That's exactly the same feeling people felt when they fall in love. When you deliberately hold eye contact more during regular business or social interactions, people might think they have actually caught your attention. Men talking to women And women talking to men and women can use this technique called sticky eyes, but a lot more when talking to women. And with men, slightly increase eye contact in your day-to-day communications. It sends a strong message that you understand and respect the other person deeply. Did you see that this eye contact is a very powerful stuff? Technique number 3. Epoxy eyes. If I have to describe epoxy eyes in a nutshell, then it can be this. Epoxy eyes are a technique used by big bosses, police investigators, and charming individuals to make others feel captivated and deeply interested in them. Instead of focusing on the speaker during a conversation, epoxy eyes suggest concentrating on the listener you want to target. This makes them feel special and engaged, wondering why you are looking at them instead of the speaker. It shows that you are genuinely interested in their reactions. This technique can be useful in business settings, especially when assessing someone's response to certain ideas. However, it's important not to overdo it, as it could make you seem arrogant. Using epoxy eyes shows confidence in yourself while displaying genuine interest in the other person. Warning: never use epoxy eyes on strangers in public or you could get arrested. But men's epoxy eyes extremely works on women. For further details, check out this book, link is in description.